U.S. Army garrison bomb holder. Fire emergency services protection those who defend America. U.S. Army garrison bomb holder. Director of the Emergency Service DES. Fire Emergency Service Management. Standard Operating Procedures, 1st of June 2012. The Department of U.S. Army United States Garrison Bomb Holder Unit 23746 APO AE 09034 replied to attention to IBM IMB MZA Fire Emergency Management. The Standard Operations Procedures, the SOP, establishes policies, provides standards operating procedures for management of fire emergency services. It defines responsibility, establishes procedures of prevention of fires, response to fires, the hazmat emergencies for disaster preparedness, applicability, the standard of procedure to all units to personally assigned and attached to U.S. Army U.S. Army garrison of bomb holder will within the area of responsibility, including the civilian workforce, contractors, vendors of the AEFES, the DODDS, and the NAF. Operated activities supplementation of the interim changes of the standard operating procedures are not official unless authenticated by the commander of the U.S. Army garrison bomb holder. Suggested improvements. The proponent of the regulation of the USA garrison bomb holder commanders users may send suggestions to improve publication of the DA Form 2028 to the USA Garrison Bomb Holder IMBM-ZA Unit 23746 Box APO AE 09034. Sam R. McAdoo, Colonel Staff Sergeant, I believe, commanding. Colonel SC commanding. Distribution SDR USA Garrison Bomb Holder and the DS USA Garrison Bomb Holder. Fire Emergency Services USA Garrison Bomb Holder. The standard of operation proceeds to the 104th ASG Fire Emergency Management of the SOP dated 9 December 2013. Continent. Chapter 1, General 1, the purpose of reference and objective. 2, the responsibility of the commander of the Directory of Emergency Services, Fire Emergency Services, functions of Fire Emergency Services, the FENS, Management, Fire Inspector, Provost Marshal Office, the Director of the Emergency Services, Unit of Commands, Activity Director, Organization, Tenant, Activity Commander, 2-9, the Building Manager, Evacuation Coordinator, 210, Building Manager, Evacuation Coordinator in the Army Family Housing, 211, Tenant Units and Concessionary, 212, Department of Public Works, Chapter 3, Firefighting, 3, Firefighting, Reporting, Emergency Telephone Numbers, 3-2, Personal Action of Event of Fire, 3-3, Class of Fire, Types of Extinguishing Agents, 3-4, Basic Fire Suppression Procedures, 3-5, Leading Cause of Fire, 3-6, Personnel Liability, 3-7, Fire to Other Loss Estimate, Chapter 4, Training Program, Objectives, Training Requirements, USAG, Fire and Emergency Services, Cross Training, Live Fire Training, First Responder Training, Response Capability, Hazmat, Weapons and Mass Destruction. 5, Objectives, Engineering, Design Plans, Management of Resource, Fire Risk Management Services, Fire Inspections, Closing Time Inspections during operating hours, Fire Exit Drills, General Housing, Keeping, Smoking Policy, Candles, curtains, drapes, decorations, carpets, firecrackers, fireworks, displays, flammable liquids, compressed gas, heating, ventilation, cooling, equipment, electrical, vandalism, malicious false alarms, installation, maintenance, fire protection systems, barbecue and open fires, welding, cutting, operations, vegetation control, interior finishing, interior flooring, finishing, vents, egress, exists, self-help, controlling, construction projects. Chapter 6, provide prevention in a community facility, assembly, occupancies, recreational facilities, unaccompanied personal housing, barracks, Army family housing, machine shops, warehouses, and storage facilities. Chapter 7, monitoring contract operations, general welding permit responsibility. Chapter 8, portable fire extinguishers. Chapter 9, water water supply and fire hydrants. Chapter 10, mutual aid interference local F&E and S. Chapter 11, weapons of mass destruction. Chapter 12, spill response and spill prevention, control, and countermeasure plans. And SPCC, hazmat incidents response planning and spill prevention and control countermeasure plan. A. Fireworks display pyrotechnics. B. References. C. Responsive weapons of mass destruction, hazmat incidents. Appendix D. Installation of fire sprinklers systems in Army family housing in Germany. Appendix A. Family manager evacuation coordinate checklist. 1. Chapter 1. General.